Have you ever needed to convert or resize an image to make your image more web accessible? What did you do? Open a large and cumbersome app? Navigate the endless features to get your image resized and saved to the desired format? Or, wanting a simpler approach, did you search for a free online tool that focused on just what you needed? Only to find tools that were filled with annoying ads and were a privacy nightmare because they upload your photos to a server for processing. I've faced this problem several times in the past myself, and I knew there had to be a safer, faster way to do this directly in the browser. Hi, I'm Erik Gassler. In this series, I'm showcasing the tools that I built because I needed them. I wanted tools that were accessible from anywhere, didn't rely on me installing anything, were secure because they ran entirely on my device, and above all, were quick and easy to use. And this is why I created AppTool.com. Here, I'm building tools that run entirely in the browser. Some tools that are simple enough are built entirely from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the other tools that require more advanced processing, I additionally use Rust that is compiled to WebAssembly and runs entirely in the browser inside the web worker. Today's tool that I want to show you is an image converter. Because image conversion is a heavy task, this is one of those tools powered by Rust and WebAssembly. This means the conversion happens on your machine, not on my server. Let me show you how it works. First, select the Resize To option. We'll leave it at no resize for now. Next, select what you want to convert to. Again, we'll leave the default. Last, just select your image. The image will automatically resize once selected. Notice how fast that was? That's because there was no upload time. No waiting for a queue on a server. The file was processed instantly by your browser and is ready to save. It's completely private. I never see your files, and there's no limits to how many times you can use it. Above the images, you can see the dimensions and the size of the image. Now, maybe this image is not quite the right size for what we need. Let's resize it. We'll select height to adjust the height. Let's go with 500, and we'll press enter, and then it converts. And there we have it. And now I just right-click the image to save or copy. You can try out this tool for yourself on AppTool.com, as well as find the source code for it on my GitHub. See the links in the description. AppTool.com is a growing platform, and I want you to help me decide what to build next. If you have a tool you need but can't find a good free version of, let me know in the comments. Also, please comment with any questions or feedback you have. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.